Oh, I have so many things that I want to share with you. First and foremost, we are going to Stationery Fest this Friday, so we are very excited about that. The other big news is that we recently started a Patreon. So if you like our stickers and our zines, please join us there. This is our August sticker sheet, and we have the zodiac signs. It's the 8th month, so we got some eights on there. Peridot is the birthstone for August, so a couple peridot samplings, and the gladiolus is the flower, so we have those on some of the sticker areas. And Leo, of course, Virgo, heading into the fall, getting very excited. I like to put these in my journal to write little notes and just have a little area of interest to put some things down. So if you're interested, join us over on Patreon, $5 a month for a subscription, or you can purchase the items individually, and hopefully we'll be developing a nice little community over there. Now on to Stationery Fest. I have printed the map and I am preparing my plan of attack. I want to go through this map and check out all of the exhibitors and stationery spots that I want to see while we are there on Friday. And then they also have a sheet that indicates the special activities that are going to be going on in the courtyard area. I am looking forward to seeing what's going on at the Maker's Square and the memory spots. Hopefully we'll be able to capture some memories for our journal while we're there. I'm sure we will capture lots of memories for our journal, but I'm going to, I think, stick these together so it's like a back and front, and then fold it up and put it as a tip in my journal so that I have it when we are at Stationery Fest and we'll be ready to go. These are the stickers that we designed for Stationery Fest, and they vary. I really like how the Stationery Fest sticker turned out. We have some different ephemera and just all kind of different neat things for Brooklyn and New York. I have cut these out so that I'm prepared to put them in my journal when we're at Stationery Fest. And then I'll just be able to like write some notes or memories in all of the different like note areas and have my packing list. And you can see here that inside my journal I have a Travelers Company sticker book that I keep my stickers in that I'm currently using. So I have August in there that I've cut out and prepared to use. And then I have all of my Stationery Fest stickers that I intend to put in my journal for the fest. So this is a great way for me to keep my stickers organized and close by. I like that I can cut them out, like fussy cut them. I think that gives me some time to like decompress and not be necessarily scrolling on the internet. I'm just concentrating on cutting out my stickers. And then of course we have a zine that we made for the Stationery Fest, and I will be putting this as a tip, like a tip into my journal. It's 4 pages. You can print this out from our Patreon if you so desire. There's some questions and some quizzes. It's a lot of fun. The first page is sort of like, what are you looking forward to? What products and brands are you eager to check out? Putting the date that you're attending on there. And I'll use that map to sort of decide who I really want to see. And then we'll be driving to Stationery Fest, so our travel will hopefully be not too intense. And then a section for your favorites and what you bought at the fest. Are you sticking to your budget? A little quick journal response, and then a quiz to determine what kind of stationery item you are. And I'm not going to tell you what I am, but maybe after you take the quiz, you can tell me what you are, and we'll see. But I think that that's so much fun because I think as stationery lovers, we all identify with a piece of stationery. And then this page is for all of the different stickers, stamps, or ephemera that you gather. You can put names and contact information. I was thinking about maybe tipping in that map here. These are for the results of the quiz. And then do your results match up to your stationery personality, or is there another item that you identify with more? So just a little exploratory journaling, some quick question and answers like about the weather when you're attending, and then a quick spot to write about your overall experience. You can put washi tape down the side, you can staple it together, you can tip it into your journal. And then on the final page is a spot for your top 3 memories and a place to put stickers and ephemera or images. I also like all of these little stationery items that are scattered throughout the Fest zine. So if you are so inclined, check it out on our Patreon, which will be linked below. And let me know if you are going to Stationery Fest, because I know that this is a very exciting time. This is how I typically will tip in our zines. I just washi tape them in, and there's a someday zine that we made, a journaling lab zine, and I am prepared for my Stationery Fest. I've got the journal partitioned off for where I will put this zine in. Sometimes I will cut it right along where the outline is, just so that it's small enough to fit in there. But also sometimes I like to leave it full so it sticks out the top a little bit so that I can get right to it when I want to use the zine. I was thinking I'm going to take this type of journal with me to Stationery Fest so that I can stick all of my ephemera in there and not worry about it necessarily getting folded. We're going to Stationery Fest. We would love to see you. We'll be wearing our Someday Society t-shirts, so stop and say hello, and maybe we'll have a free zine or some stickers for you. Anyway, if you like our content, please like and subscribe. Take care.